Hi guys, welcome back to the Flat Media channel. Today I'm going to show you a psychedelic music tutorial.
I still see shadows in my room. Can't take back the love that I gave you. It's to the point where I love and I hate you, but I cannot change you, so I must replace you. Easier said than done. I thought you were the one listening to my heart instead of my head. You found another one, but I am the better one. I won't let you forget me.
Make sure to watch the video until the end to learn more about this effect. Before we start, make sure to like the video, subscribe to our channel and ring notification bell. As well, go to Elements Envato and get a subscription. Also, get your Filmora 11 today. Now let's jump into the video. Firstly, drag the footages you got to the timeline. Try to make a story and give life to the music. Then we will add the willow and the cinema effect. Later, we will add this cool noise effect that I've got from Elements Envato, link in the description. Now we will change the blending mode to screen. Now we are going to add some other cool glitch effects. Don't forget to change the blending mode to difference. To the second footage we are going to add the negative dark effect. We can add a transition, here. Let's add some other effects from Envato. Use your own style and be creative. Don't make the effects too long. And lastly, don't forget to add a keyframe near the end. Few layers later reduce the opacity, so we can close the scene. That's it for this video guys. Again, make sure to like the video, subscribe to our channel and ring notification bell. Also, get your Filmora 11 today and subscribe to Elements Envato if you want to become a pro editor.